Hello, dear tutoring partners. My name is Camila Arana, and in this moment, I will going to make the step 2, that is a recorder of tax 7 for phonetics and phonology course. First, I going to say the text in APA alphabet pronunciation. I mention or states or feelings that are often intense. That's for only a fourth time and are cry and die required at or nosed by someone or some circumstances. Painting I motion include dark pride, relief, love, and compassion. We must for participants and knowledge to force it by all with strength to buy passive and trustful. Negative emotion include danger and anxiety, for greeting pain, sadness, envy, and disgust. Continue with the work. I going to say the minimal pairs. Cat, bat, white, wise, right, road, quiet, night, take, steak, cough, cut, pin, win, teal, peel, teach, peach, day, pay, dig, pig, deal, peel, duck, buck, date, bait, told, call, tool, cool, tape, cape, tote, coat, town, gum, tie, guy, tap, gap, tool, ghoul, dag, gag, table, gable, tin, fin, tail, fail, ton, fun, tick, big. Number 3, intonation. It's statements with one stress. She works. We love. It stop. A statement with two stresses. Tom is reading. Mike is sleeping. The car stopped. The weather has changed. A statement with three stresses. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. A statement with four stresses. She wants to buy a new car. He brought the letters very quickly. The teacher told her students a story. A statement with five stresses. Alex brought the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you brought yesterday. Special questions following intonation. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friendly interest pollinates rising intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? General questions raising intonation. Have you read these books? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Require, requires raising intonation. May I speak to Ella, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative question, raising and falling intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? Tag questions, falling or raising intonation. You don't know them, do you? They haven't found it. Have they? You weren't late, were you? I shouldn't do it. Should I? Commands falling intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Ask him for help. Request rising intonation. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamatory sentence, falling intonation. It's good to see you. It is an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Direct address, rising intonation. Ella, can you help me, please? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerating rising intonation. I bought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencils. Responses. I can. She is. He will. You should. I can't. He didn't. Thank you so much.